All right, came out to get my car. My tire's running flat, running low. So I've already opened up the trunk, and this is my air compressor I carry with me all the time. And let me do all that, make sure I got it all together. I really like this little air compressor. I've had it, I don't know, for a few years. And I always have it in the trunk of my car. This one is a SuperFlow model MV50. This one, you hook it up directly to the battery in the car, and then that thing there goes. Let me get that thing. Well, I'm getting it all messed up here. There we go. Scoot it this way. Anyway, it comes with these leads, and you notice how that's red and that's black, right? This one's black, that one's red. So you take the black one and you hook it up to the black one. So that's the negative side, right? The red, as you can see right there, is the positive side. So you hook them up like that. Red to red, black to black. And over here, you have to find the stem and take the little cap off. The reason the cap is on there is to keep dirt out of that, because you don't want to get dirt all up in there. So whenever you get done, make sure you put that back on. But anyway, take this end, see how it comes over here, right? You take this end, push it up on it, and you turn it until it's threaded and tight. Well, not real tight, but I mean tight in terms of you don't want it to just leak air out while you're pumping it. And over here is a little switch, on-off switch. And right there is a little pressure gauge. And I like to make sure that, of course, right now you can see that because it's hooked up to the tire, it's giving you the pressure that's in the tire. So it's like way down there. It should be like this. See where it's red, it says 25. It should be above the 25, be 30 psi. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on, and uh-oh, why is it not coming on? Well, it's probably not hooked up correctly over here. All right, let me. Oh, this thing feels loose. All right, let me put it right here. Well, sometimes they're just loose for some stupid reason. All right, that should work, and that should work. All right, so let me turn that on. Whoop. Stay on. I don't know what's. There it goes. All right. Did you notice how the pressure's going up? So you can actually, if you watch real close, you can see the tire is slowly rising up because the pressure is building up in the tire. But you don't worry about looking at the tire so much as you do watching this little gauge here. See, now it's right up at 25. I want it to be 30, but it needs to come up above 30 because it'll kind of settle out, and whenever I go over there to take that off, I'll lose a little bit of air pressure. So here and I'll undo it. And I kept this. It's very important you put that back on. That keeps your little air stem valve thing clean, because you don't want that to be dirty. If it's dirty, you'll never get that thing to work right again. All right, so I'm gonna come over here, undo it, and then we'll take it and put it back in the trunk. And as soon as I do that, I'll shut the trunk and the hood of the car and be ready to go. Tire looks better. All right. Get him in there. All right. There we go. I'll just set it in there and leave it in there. That's where it rides all the time. That way I always have it available. All right. Anyway, made another video for YouTube. I think this one will go under my Honda Working on Cars playlist. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. All right. Y'all need to get yourself an air pump to keep in your trunk all the time.